Greetings, fitness enthusiasts, and welcome to the Healthy You channel. Let's get ready to put some fun in our fitness. Let's go. Are you tired of the same old boring workouts? Well, get ready to discover 10 fun cardio workouts that don't even feel like exercise. We're talking about activities you'll actually look forward to that'll have you feeling energized and amazing. These workouts are backed by science and fitness experts, so you know they're effective. We're not just talking about a light sweat session. These activities will get your heart rate up, burn calories, and improve your overall health. So if you're ready to ditch the workout dread and embrace a fun and effective way to stay fit, keep watching. Let's start with a workout that feels like a party. Dance workouts are an amazing way to get your cardio in without feeling like you're even exercising. Whether it's Zumba, hip-hop, or even just dancing around your living room to your favorite playlist, moving to the music is a surefire way to torch calories and boost your mood. Think about it. Dancing is all about rhythm, coordination, and letting loose. It's a full-body workout that targets your heart, lungs, and muscles. Plus, it's a fantastic stress reliever. When you're lost in the music and the movement, you forget about your worries and just enjoy the moment. Find a dance style you love, grab some friends, or go solo, and get ready to sweat it out on the dance floor. Trust me, you won't even realize you're working out. You'll be having so much fun that the time will fly by, and you'll be left feeling energized, happy, and ready to take on the world. So put on your favorite workout gear, blast some tunes, and let's dance our way to a fitter, healthier, and happier you. Remember the pure joy of jumping on a trampoline as a kid? Well, guess what? It's just as fun and effective as an adult. Trampoline workouts are a fantastic way to get your heart pumping while being super gentle on your joints. The low-impact nature of trampoline jumping makes it perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's a great way to improve your cardiovascular health, strengthen your muscles, and boost your lymphatic system. Plus, it's just plain fun. You can find trampoline classes at many gyms and fitness studios, or you can even get your own mini trampoline for home workouts. There are tons of online resources and videos available to guide you through different routines and exercises. So channel your inner child, jump on board, and get ready to bounce your way to a healthier, happier you. Let's take our workouts outside and explore the beauty of nature. Hiking is an incredible way to get your cardio in while enjoying the fresh air and stunning scenery. It's a full-body workout that engages your legs, core, and even your upper body as you navigate different terrains. One of the best things about hiking is that it's so adaptable to different fitness levels. You can choose trails that are challenging with steep inclines, or opt for more leisurely paths with gentle slopes. Start with shorter hikes and gradually increase your distance and intensity as you get stronger. Remember to stay hydrated, wear comfortable shoes with good support, and bring along snacks to keep your energy levels up. Invite friends or family to join you for a social workout experience, or enjoy the peace and quiet of a solo hike while connecting with nature. So grab your hiking boots, find a trail near you, and get ready to experience the amazing benefits of hiking for your mind, body, and soul. Jump into a killer workout plan. Ready to make a splash with your workout routine? Swimming is an incredible full-body exercise that's super effective and easy on your joints. It's a fantastic option for people of all ages and fitness levels, especially those looking for a low-impact activity. The buoyancy of water supports your body, reducing stress on your joints while providing resistance to challenge your muscles. Whether you're swimming laps, doing water aerobics, or just splashing around, you're giving your cardiovascular system a great workout. Swimming is also incredibly therapeutic for both your mind and body. The rhythmic movement of gliding through the water can be incredibly calming and meditative. It's a great way to relieve stress, clear your mind, and improve your mood. So find a pool near you, grab your swimsuit and goggles, and get ready to dive into the refreshing world of swimming. Fight on! Looking for a high-energy workout that's both empowering and effective? Look no further than kickboxing. This dynamic workout combines punches, kicks, and other martial arts-inspired moves to give you a full-body workout that torches calories and melts away stress. Kickboxing is a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health, build strength and endurance, and learn self-defense techniques. It's a high-intensity workout that will get your heart pumping and leave you feeling strong and confident. You can find kickboxing classes at most gyms and fitness studios, or even follow along with online videos from the comfort of your own home. Many classes offer modifications for different fitness levels, so you can find the perfect intensity for your needs. So put on your workout gear, channel your inner fighter, and get ready to punch and kick your way to a fitter, stronger, and more confident you. Let's hit it! Hop on a bike and let's ride! Cycling is a fantastic low-impact workout that's perfect for all fitness levels. Whether you prefer scenic outdoor rides or indoor cycling classes, there's a way for everyone to enjoy the amazing benefits of cycling. Cycling is a great way to improve your cardiovascular health, build leg strength, and boost your mood. It's a low-impact exercise that's easy on your joints, making it a great option for people of all ages and fitness levels. Outdoor cycling offers the opportunity to explore your surroundings, enjoy fresh air, and soak up some vitamin D. Indoor cycling classes provide a structured, high-energy workout with motivating instructors and upbeat music. So dust off your bike, find a route or a class you love, and get ready to pedal your way to a healthier, happier you. Row your way to fitness. Get ready for a full-body workout that will challenge your muscles and get your heart pumping. Rowing is an incredible exercise that targets your legs, core, back, arms, pretty much every muscle group. Rowing is a low-impact exercise that's gentle on your joints, making it a great option for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's also a very efficient workout, meaning you can burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. You can find rowing machines at most gyms and fitness studios, or even invest in one for your home gym. There are tons of online resources and videos available to teach you proper form and guide you through different workouts. So grab an oar or find a rowing machine and get ready to experience the amazing benefits of this powerful and effective workout. Skip to a healthier heart. Remember the simple joy of jumping rope as a kid? Well, it's time to bring back this childhood favorite for a fun and effective workout. Jumping rope is an amazing cardio exercise that's also great for coordination, balance, and bone health. This portable workout can be done virtually anywhere, making it a convenient option for busy schedules. Start with short intervals of jumping and gradually increase your duration and intensity as you get better. Jumping rope is a high-impact exercise, so it's important to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. If you're new to jumping rope, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase your time as you build up your endurance. So grab a jump rope, find a spot with some space, and get ready to skip your way to a healthier heart. Hoop it up for fitness. Get ready to spin your way to a stronger core and a healthier heart. Hula hooping isn't just a fun childhood activity. It's a fantastic workout that engages your core muscles, improves your coordination, and burns calories. The circular movements of hula hooping target your abs, obliques, and lower back, helping you build core strength and stability. It also improves your balance, posture, and coordination. You can find hula hoops in various sizes and weights to suit your fitness level and preferences. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase your time as you get the hang of it. So grab a hula hoop, put on some music, and get ready to have some fun while you work out. Reach new heights of fitness. Ready for a workout adventure that will challenge your body and mind? Rock climbing is an incredible activity that combines physical strength, mental focus, and a whole lot of fun. Rock climbing is a full-body workout that targets your muscles, improves your flexibility, and enhances your problem-solving skills. It's a great way to build upper body strength as you use your arms and hands to pull yourself up. Indoor rock climbing gyms offer a safe and controlled environment to learn the ropes and progress at your own pace. Outdoor rock climbing provides a thrilling and rewarding experience in nature. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned climber, rock climbing offers a unique and challenging way to stay fit, explore your limits, and achieve new heights. Stay fit and fabulous. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments which of these workouts you're most excited to try. We hope this video inspired you to try some new and exciting workouts that don't feel like a chore. Thanks for joining us on Healthy You. We hope you found this information useful, and most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.